guess what I got? This thing is seriously cool. Okay, I have a video kind of hating on it, and I made that in the past, but I've used this a little bit more, and you know what? I've grown to like it. I think I got it at a pretty good price. I got a gift card from work, and I saved some money on this with the S'mores app. You basically put ads on your phone lock screen, and then you can get free Amazon gift cards. I'll have a link in the description below with that. I use it all the time. I love it. Free money got me this MetaQuest 3. It's a box within a box. And here we have it. And here we have it. It's the MetaQuest 3 128GB version. I don't need the full, I think it's like 512GB is the max. I wish it was a 256GB, though I don't think they offer that. So I mean, 128GB is enough for me. I'm thinking the system's gonna take about like 30GB, and then another 10GB is not gonna be usable. And then we can round this down to 120GB. So 120 minus 40 is gonna give us 80GB of space. I think that's more than enough, because all I'm gonna do really is watch videos, play some Beat Saber, maybe a few other games, and that's pretty much it. I got this at a great price again. It is a refurbished one from Amazon, but the packaging do be looking new, so I don't mind that. The first thing that we're gonna do is get rid of these pull tabs and slide it on out. I just like opened it upside down. Anyways, say hello to my MetaQuest 3. You got the basic controllers, which we're gonna upgrade with KIWI Design. Partnered with them in the past, and I still have some of their stuff, and I'm gonna put it on these guys. But before we do that, here is the Quest 3. This looks solid. You know what's not solid though? This headband, so lame, so basic. Leave me a comment below if you use this standard headband and you just had to upgrade it, because this thing, it's bad, y'all. The headband is a no-no for me. Let's just, first things first, take this guy off. You know what else is not the most comfortable for me? This face shield thing. So let's go ahead, take that off. I think it just like unclips, right? Ah, there we go. And you're just left with this guy. So let's upgrade it with some peripherals from KIWI Design. All of these will be in the description below the like button as well. So I have this aftermarket faceplate. One, it has a foam leather pad on here, memory foam, so it's gonna be nice on the face. On top of that, there's no light bleed. Give me a comment below if you have light bleed through the nose part. The sides around the stock one, I'll give it that, it's okay. But under the nose area, so bad, y'all. But I've gotten some comments before like, oh, it's great if I have an itch, so I wanna like stick my finger up and rub my nose. Well, you can totally do that one with this. Well, you can totally do that one with this too, and it blocks the light. How does it do that? One, remember, it's more comfortable. So it sits on your face like this, and check this out. You see these flaps right here? That's all they are, just flaps. You can still fit your finger up in here, but the flaps are gonna be what's covering the bottom part where the light is gonna bleed through, so you can't see any light bleed. Versus the stock one from Meta, look at this. So much light bleed can get through here. This one's just a soft leather, so really light. Not a really big difference having this versus the stock one, other than no light bleed. Before I pop this one on though, because I think it's a little bit easier with this top part exposed, I got this battery headset. So there's a few things about this one. One, it is way more comfortable. So it clasps onto your head with this part in the back and this part on your forehead, meaning you have 2 points of contact, evenly distributing the weight, soft leather and memory foam on the inside, adjustable in multiple ways. So this back part goes up and down. This part will slide over here, so you can pull it backwards and forwards, and this part adjusts too, like that. So much flexibility, y'all. One more. This part on top here, there's a dial right here, and that adjusts this going up and down, and that's moving this headset up and down your face, so you can align it better with your eyes. Speaking of aligning it better, this is a bit small. Let's expand it a little bit more by rotating this dial on the back. Look at that. You can see it really coming out to fit all head sizes. And if you wanted to fit your head size, just put it on your head. You can tighten it. You hear those gears turning? Fits nice and snug on the head. Let's go ahead and put this on the headset. First is that top clip, and then we're gonna go ahead and do the sides. Easily just snap on. Same thing on this side, just a snap on. Look at how easy that is. Did I forget to mention, I think I did, that there's an external battery on the back of this thing. Yep, so we can go ahead and charge this MetaQuest 3, which is good because out of the box, it does not come very charged. All we need to do is get this USB-C port, plug it into the USB-C port right here, and then this guy back here, we'll start charging this guy up here. Now you might be like, okay, do I have to unplug this every single time I need to charge this? No, No. You can charge it through the back right here. I have a whole video talking about this headband. I would watch that. I'll have it in the description below as well. You can go into more specifics to see if you want to buy this. Let's go ahead and put the face shield on. Super leathery all around. That looks comfortable. That's pretty much it for the Meta Quest 3, but I'm not done yet. Let's talk about the controllers. Now for me, personally, the controllers are a little bit small in my hands. Not a fan of them. If you are a fan of the size, KIWI Design has the same exact size, and you can get a grip that goes around it that's this small size, like just as small as the controller. I got something a little bit better for my hands though, because my hands are a little bit bigger than this controller. And it's these extended grips give you a little bit more grip for your Quest 3 in terms of length, makes it less slippery, because this, look at how it's wiggling around in my hand. This, there is a texture on it, makes it way easier to grip. And this part right here makes it super convenient to just hold it to your hand. Let's go ahead and put the remote inside of here. First thing that we need to do, well, let's remove this part. It's new. Let's take off the side case. Let's go ahead and take off the strap. We can take out the battery. We're gonna slide it into here. And then we can pull this rubber casing around the top. Now it's in. The only thing left is this battery door. It has a little pull tab so you can easily access the battery. We can tuck that tab away and then close our battery door. There you guys have it. We've unboxed the Meta Quest 3. We've upgraded it as well as the controllers. My girlfriend has a Quest 2. I upgraded hers and gave her some more cool stuff. Go check those out on the channel so you don't miss any of the cool videos that we have coming with these. And I say coming, make sure you subscribe because we'll have a lot of games exploring all the features of these Quest 3s. We love VR, AR stuff. And if you have any questions or if you want me to try anything with these, please leave a comment below. If you want to play any games together, also let me know. I'm so down for that. Thanks for unboxing this with me, guys. I'm super excited to finally have this one to keep. This one is mine. I'll see you in the meta world. I think that's what it's called. I don't know.